Hello everyone, we're going to make these beautiful flowers. So take this orange paper cup, cut it. Now make multiple cuts on the bottom portion like this and open all of them. Spread it. We're also giving shape to the petals by cutting it using scissors and color it as well. We are making lines on it using red sketch pen. Draw a smiley face. We are drawing its eyes, its cheeks, curl all the petals like we're doing here. Now paste a green stick as well as the leaves. We are cutting it using green paper. Paste all of them and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers and look how pretty these are looking. Let's make this beautiful flower bouquet. We are making the flowers using clay. So cut 5 such pink clay and roll it, make a ball and combine all of them together. Now we are going to make lines on it using any sharp object like we are doing here. Look, it's done. Now we are rolling another clay and we are making lines on it as well and paste it at the center like this. Similar way, add more details. We are putting this yellow clay at the center. Now roll another green clay and make the stick. Similar way, make its leaves and combine all of them together. Your flower is ready. Let's wrap it now. We are going to wrap it. Put a bow and lace at the center and look, your bouquet is ready. Look at this beautiful rose bouquet. Let's make it. So take this 15 cm red square paper and fold it from its diagonals. Again make many folds. Squeeze it and fold it like we are doing here. And now you'll get a square shape. Now open it and fold it from its corners and you will get a shape like this. Similar way, make multiple folds like this, flip it and start folding again like we're doing here from its sides. We are making crease here generally. So you'll get a mini square at the center. Now again press it and you will get a shape like this. Flip it again. Now start tucking it inside the mini squares. Look how we are doing here like this. Flip it again. Now you'll get a shape like this. Now open all the corners like this and give it a shape of rose. It's done. Now take another paper and start folding here. We are folding this blue paper, so start folding it and tug it inside. Now gently open it and make a shape like this. Here we are making the tugging here like this. Now paste both of them together and look, your bookmark is ready. Look at this colorful bouquet. Let's make it. We are making different shapes for the bouquet. First we are making this cloud and rainbow. Keep it aside. Now make the petals of the flowers using pink clay. Similar way, we are making a bunny shape here. So make the ears of the bunny, paste all of them, paste its eyes and look how cute this bunny flower is looking. Now make more such colorful shapes and put all of them inside this bouquet and it's done. Let's make this beautiful sunflower pot. First we are making the petals. So take a small piece of clay, press it. After this we are going to make 18 to 20 such petals. Now press another brown clay. Make lines on it using this sharp object and paste all the petals around it using glue. We are also pasting more petals. Flip it. Now gently press all the petals and give it a shape like this. Again we are adding details like we are putting this yellow clay at the center. Now cut a paper cup and we are going to make the flower pot here. So cover it using this clay and put green clay inside it and dab the sunflower like we are doing here. Similar way, we are going to make the leaves using green clay. Add more details. We are putting a beautiful little bee at the center and look, your flower pot is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.